In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly create an A4 size document in Canva, perfect for flyers, posts, or any standard A4 print. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva Pro account, as the resize feature is only available for Pro users. Open your design, then click the resize button at the top left. In the drop-down menu, type A4 in the search bar and select the A4 portrait option. Finally, click resize this design and Canva will adjust your project to the standard A4 dimensions, 210 by 297 mm or 8.27 by 11.69 inches. That's it. Your design is now ready for professional printing. With Canva Pro, resizing is simple, fast, and ensures your documents always fit perfectly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.